In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start the Strava app. First, unlock your phone and open Strava by tapping its orange icon. Give it a moment to load. A few seconds is normal on the first launch. If your phone pops up permission requests, go ahead and allow them. Location access lets Strava use GPS so your route appears on the map and your pace and distance are accurate. Motion or fitness permissions let the app use your phone's sensors to smooth out tracking for walking, running, and cycling. Without these, recording won't be as precise, so it's worth tapping Allow when asked. Once the app is open, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Record. This is the main tracking area where every workout begins. You'll see a map panel and some fields for time, distance, and pace or speed. If you're indoors or surrounded by tall buildings, the map might take a moment to lock on. That's normal, just give it a little time to find GPS. Next, choose the type of activity you want to track. Tap the sport icon near the top, often shown as a shoe for running or a bike for riding, and select the activity that matches what you're about to do, like run, walk, ride, or hike. Picking the right activity helps Strava display the most useful stats during and after your session. When you're ready, start recording by tapping the big Start button. From this point, Strava will record your distance, your speed or pace, and draw your route on the map using GPS. As you move, those numbers will update in real time so you can glance down to see how you're doing. Keep your phone somewhere it can maintain a signal, like in a pocket or armband, and try not to cover it too tightly to help the GPS stay consistent. When you're finished, end the workout by tapping Stop or Finish on the screen. You'll see the option to tap Save to upload the activity to your Strava account. That stores your route, splits, and totals so you can review them later and keep your training history in one place. And that's it. You're ready to track your next run, walk, ride, or hike with confidence.